Hello. Some time ago, I was asked to build a data catalog for the personal employees records. So let's see what we have. So we need to get a data catalog for employees. We also need to be able to create, update, and delete individual records, as well as get details about each record. And the main feature of the data catalog is a search, where we need to be able to search over all data we have. And in the end, in order to access our data catalog, we need to have some kind of front end with easy data manipulate and data search features. Estimated data catalog size is about 1 million records. We know that each data structure has some kind of first name, last name, email, country, and some personal info. Once again, search over all data fields. So let's see what we have here. This is a React.js application. Right now in the database I have a little bit more than 1 million records, and also I know that somewhere over these records I have data about myself. So first of all, let's check our database. Let me execute SQL statement to calculate amount of records. I also know that I have record with my name and some other fields, and I can search over different fields. So this is our database. Okay, so let me try to search something in the data catalog. For example, I can try to look for my name. I also can search other records by other fields. Let's search something for Gmail. A lot of okay, something from Poland. Okay, let's search something from the description, like, I don't know, oops, user here. Okay, anyway, search is quite fast. Now let's see how all of this is built under the hood. So right now I have started my backend services. From the high-level diagram view, we can see that we have a front end with the CRUD operations and with the search operations. Our front end is connected to two web APIs. First one to store data and execute create, update, delete operations, as well as get individual records from their cache. All the data is stored in the Postgres database, and all mutations sent to the message broker in order to transform data and build a search cache in the Elasticsearch. Our frontend also connected with a search web API, which is responsible to get some count operations and some search operations from the cache, or basically from the Elasticsearch. So we know that we need to work with 1 million records. What I have here is a little test which generates about 100,000 new records, and while this data mutation is in progress, I will continue using my catalog. So right now we inserted this amount of records. This is our mutation backend and our messaging backend. So they are both generate new records here. If we get latest, we can see that total amount of records started to grow, but I still would like to use my data catalog. Okay, let's find someone else. For example, Nikita, and we have only email, and we don't have any user with name Nikita. Yup. So let's try to add some data here. I prepared some kind of snippet for the data insert operation, and we're going to insert data about another one, user with track data. He is from Ukraine and he is proficient React native developer. Okay, let's add something here and try to search. Here is Nikita. We know he is a developer, so let's try developer. Okay. Nikita. React. Okay, here he is, React native developer. Total amount of data of our catalog is growing. Both backends are busy with insert, and backend responsible for search works as fast as magic. Okay. While our insert operation is still in progress and we still generate new data, here we can check how the system is built from the source code point of view. So let me remind that we have Frontend, we have 3 web APIs and worker services, and we have couple databases and a message queue. So let's open Visual Studio. Our data mutation service is connected to the RabbitMQ and just saves some data via DB context, as well as sends messages right here. Store send messages to the RabbitMQ in order to be picked up and process and prepare for search. Our message processor, person created processor. Our message routine is built with mass transit, where we have publish endpoint and where we publish messages to the RabbitMQ under the hood. From the RabbitMQ, messages are picked up by the consumers, and consumer manipulate data like denormalize or do some other things and send data to the search index database with Elasticsearch. Our search web API is another one web API controller. For example, let's check search operation. we use cache for previously searched terms, or we get data directly from the Elastic search client, like that. So UI, storage, search, Elasticsearch. Pretty easy and pretty nice. Let's check what we have in the insert routine. It's not yet completed, so we still have not inserted all new records, but search works amazing thanks to Elastic. Thanks.